Okay, I'm going to try something different tonight. I'm going to make a few different things. These are just things you can make for use around the house. And this is part of being able to switch from more of a toxic lifestyle to as low toxic as possible. So we're going to make the first one we're going to make is an air freshener. I'm just going to use an old spray bottle. This is actually an old Johnson Diversity lever spray bottle. It's got nothing in it now. And what we're going to make it with, we're going to make it with some witch hazel extract. You can pick this up. I sell this for about $13.75 for 500ml bottle. You can get that from a number of different places, including the chemist. Also going to use some geranium essential oil. And we're also going to use some patchouli essential oil as well. I prefer to use Young Living because of the purity of the product. So what we're going to do, we're going to start out with some water, and we're just going to add, probably won't need the funnel for this one, we're just going to add 2/3 of a cup of water. And then we're going to add to that some witch hazel, and we're going to add 1/3 of a cup of witch hazel. So I'm just going to pop that in there. It's a quarter, a little bit more. You can actually use vodka as well instead if you want to. So we're going to add witch hazel in there, 1/3 of a cup. I've got a very large bottle here, so obviously you could easily increase the mixture. Now we're going to add 20 drops of oil. You could use any of your favorite oils for this. I'm going to use, as I said, patchouli. So 10 drops of that. Patchouli is one of those oils that's notoriously thick, so I'm actually going to use a dropper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and then we're going to add our geranium, and we're going to add 10 drops of that as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, and that's it. So that whole thing looks to be pretty inexpensive. So it's made quite a bit. You can see this is a large bottle. It's made probably about 1/3 of that bottle, so a reasonable amount, about a cup's worth. And there we've got our spray and wipe, our air freshener. And that is a winner. So there we have it. That's our first make and take. We've got geranium, patchouli, and some witch hazel extract